In the second problem, a 30-meter chain was found to be 10 centimeter too long after chaining a distance of 1500 meters. The same matlab, it was found to be 15 centimeter too long at the end of day's work after chaining a total distance of 2900 meters. Find the true distance if the chain was correct before the commencement of the work. So here we use the same chain that is 30 meter long. So when we have measured a distance of 1500 meter, it was checked that it was 10 centimeter too long. But due to the regular use of the chain, after measuring a total distance of 2900 meter, it was again found 15 centimeter too long. So in both the case, we have to discuss the both cases. When for its solution, what is given. First of you write down what is given, what we have. We have given for first 1500 meter distance, the actual length of the chain is 30 meter. There is an error 10 centimeter in the chain, that is chain is too long. So E will be average of the given error. You cannot take simply here, this question is different from the previous one. This error is because the chain used were first, it is correct. It is correct length of 30 meters. After the measurement of 1500 meters, it was found to be 10 centimeter too long. So we have take the average. So here E will be the average of the given error. In the start, error is 0. It is of 30 meter length. Then it was found to be 10 centimeter too long. So here the second one is, so E, I am going to calculate the average value. It is 10. So you will take the error, the average of this. This comes to be 0.05 meter. This is the value of E in the first case when we have measured distance of 1500 meters. Then, so what is the distance measured by this type of chain? That is given as 1500 meters. So again, we have to calculate the what is its actual distance when the chain is 10 centimeter too long. So we know, so L into D is equal to L dash and D dash. Again, L is the actual length of the chain, D is the distance, actual distance. This is incorrect length of chain and this is incorrect distance measured with the chain that is 10 centimeter too long. So for this, so we are going to substitute the values. So after substituting these values, so we can calculate this here. So L dash is given by, so here I can calculate what is L dash. So L dash is equal to 30 meter. It is too long, means you add in it the value of E. E is 0.05 meters. So L dash is given by 30.05 meters. Okay. So from this you can substitute the values. L dash is 30.05 meters. Actual length is 30 meter. And you can multiply the distance measured is 1500 meters. Okay. This comes to be, after this calculation, 1502.5 meters. So when the chain was 10 centimeter long, so here the actual distance that is measured is equal to 1502.5 meters. Okay. Then the second case, because at the end of the days we have measured a distance of 2900 meters. It means from here in the second case, the remaining distance, total distance we measured is equal to 2900 meters. We have measured 1500. The remaining distance is equal to 1400 meters. For this, we will apply the second case. In the second case, here you can see for the next, this what we have remained, the next distance, that is 1400 meters. Here again we have the D dash, it is 1400 meters. Now again in this case the chain was 15 centimeter too long. After measuring a total distance of 2900 meter, it was found 15 centimeter too long. Now in the previous case it is 10 centimeter long. Now the value of E will be calculated. Error is calculated by the average of first is 10 centimeter too long, then last one is 15 centimeter too long. So this comes to be 0.25 divided by 2, and this comes to be 0.125 meter is the value of error. Again, this error is positive because this chain is too long. So actual length is 30 meter. So L dash we can calculate over here. So L is 30 meter. Now you can add the average value of E. This is like this 0.125 meter. So here L dash come to be 30.125 meter is the value of incorrect length of chain. So again we know L into D is equal to L dash into D dash, where L dash is the incorrect length of the chain, D dash is the incorrect distance measured by this chain, that is 1400. So here we can calculate after substituting the value of this. L dash is equal to 30.125 meter, L is given 30 meter, and D is the remaining distance 1400 this meter. So here, sorry for this. So this come to be 30.125 in divided by 30 meter into 1400, and this comes to be after calculation 1405 meter and 838 meters. This is the actual distance when the chain is 15 centimeter too long. So the total distance that we have measured, that is 2900 meter, the actual total distance. This will be the sum of the distance we have already measured. First we measured this distance as 1000. That come to be 1502.5 meters. Then you add the remaining. Now we will calculate 1405.838 meters. The sum of this is equal to the total distance we measured, that come to be 2908.38 meter. 838 meters. So this is the actual distance which we have measured with 30 meter chain when there is a error of first 10 centimeter too long and then 15 centimeter too long. This is your answer. Thank you.